And if you step through main plus 44, the last store, this is what you would see on the stack. So typical uninitialized alignment space after the saved frame pointer, but then we have A pointer, B pointer, A, and B. So first of all, again, there's no assumptions that can be made about the order that local variables that are non-structs are going to be stored on the stack. Additionally, we see B here is the upper 32 bits, not the lower 32 bits. That's actually conducive to what we previously learned about when we had single local variable obsolete. That would get stored at the upper bits, and furthermore, when there was extra stuff added, it would get pushed down. So it's kind of like this A pushed down the B is still at the upper 32 bits. But really, the takeaway here is that there's nothing special about pointers. So we have A and B, those are local variables like we always understand, and then A pointer and B pointer, by getting the address of A, well, that's just wherever A is stored on the stack. So that address of A, 7FFFF8C8, is going to be stored into the local variable A pointer. So A pointer, local variable, stores an address, specifically the address of A. B pointer stores an address, the address of B. And here we see it is 8C4 because it is not the lower 4 bytes, it is the upper 4 bytes. So you skip past the lower 4 bytes and you get to 8C4 is the address of B.